Welcome or welcome back to this channel. Today I'd like to invite you to join me to create a little hypnotic quality moment in time for yourself. It's all about finding peace and ease, and it is ideal for you when you feel stressed, anxious, overwhelmed. You deserve a timeout right now and change something about the way you think and feel. So while you are making yourself comfortable, let me introduce myself. I'm Christine Phillip. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach. I help people to let go of anxiety, doubts, and worrying so they are free to restore their happiness. And before you relax very deeply, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment, like, and share my videos if you like them, and hit the notification bell. Have I forgotten something? No? Okay, let's go. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a moment to settle down. And as you prepare yourself to relax very deeply, you can just allow your eyes to close when it feels comfortable for you to do so. And if they are already closed, you can imagine them slowly closing again. And as you follow along comfortably to the sound of my words, you can relax all those tiny muscles around your eyes to the point where you know when you want to hold on to that relaxation, those eyes won't work and stay comfortably stuck and shut. So go ahead and relax all those tiny muscles you are aware of, and all the muscles you are unaware of, to the point where they are so relaxed they would rather keep those eyes comfortably stuck and shut. Very good. And when you know they won't work because they are so relaxed, try and open them and find you cannot, as they stay comfortably shut. Even more. And of course you are in control of those eyes and could open them at any time, but at this time you rather stay in control of your relaxation. And so you can allow yourself slowly to settle back and settle down inside. Just notice the rhythm of your breathing and how the breath begins to smooth out naturally and effortlessly, the more you allow yourself to rest and relax. And as the body receives the message that here and now, it's okay to relax. Because sometimes the mind gets too caught up in stories and the torrent of information that comes to us from all directions. And it's important to remind ourselves that the endless chatter from the outside and from the inside is only useful up to a point. Yet the more and more mental chatter we receive and create ourselves, the more it will become just unnecessarily overwhelming and stressful. The mind and the body get cluttered up and stuck. And it's not about denying reality. It's about remembering that there is much more to reality than those stories. And when you turn off all the noise from the outside and sit or lie back and relax and breathe, you can notice what is actually happening right now in your current experience, right here. There's a different reality, a reality of how your body needs this time right now to settle down and rest. Because right now and here, you can let go of the need to know. No need to figure anything out now. Let go of the past and now just relax and rest. Let it settle itself. Let go of what is past and let go of what may come. And now let go of what is happening now. No need to figure anything out and no need to make anything happen right now. You can allow the peace and quiet needs to come back into balance. That's right. And just as the brain needs time to quiet down and refocus on what you can influence and on what you can control. Because if there's a storm raging outside, you can't control the weather. But you can calmly take the necessary steps to keep yourself safe and comfortable. And you can simply accept the storm. You accept the winds, the flashes of lightning, the rumbles of thunder as part of reality, part of nature. And you only need to focus on what you can control and what you can influence to ensure your own safety and the safety of those around you. Knowing that in time the storm will inevitably pass, that in time the weather will clear, the sky will clear, and better times, calmer times will inevitably come. And there's a deep wisdom to your body that knows exactly when it's time to rest deeply, to recuperate, to release the old tension completely. Letting go and letting it all go to settle down, to rest and recharge. As everything comes back into balance and your body needs and deserves the same opportunity regularly to experience that sanctuary of safety and comfort that you can create for yourself, to rest deeply, to recuperate, to release all the old tension, to rest and relax completely, as you do now. And in a moment I'm going to count from 5 all the way down to 1, and with each number you can relax even deeper and deeper still. And 5. And you can just allow those facial muscles to smooth out and soften as the shoulders loosen a little bit more with each and every out-breath. 4. A wave of comfortable heaviness now flowing down through the upper arms. 3. Relaxing down to the core of the body, upper back, chest, abdomen, lower back, relaxing all the way down to the pelvic floor muscles as you allow yourself to sink down into comfort and rest. And 2, relaxing down through the thigh muscles and down through the calf muscles, down, 2, 1, as you relax the feet and relax the toes. And let yourself rest now in body and mind, resting into complete tranquility, calm, and well-being. And your inner mind can transport you to a place of beauty now. Just imagine yourself in that place. It just might be the perfect place for you. This is your perfect place. It could be anywhere in the universe at any time. It could be somewhere you have been before and love going. It could be somewhere you have never been but always wanted to go. It could be somewhere you just created in your mind. wherever and whenever this place is. Everything about it is absolutely perfect. The lighting, the temperature, everything is just as you would want it to be. And nothing gets into this place except you, the sound of my voice at this time, and anything you would put here to make it absolutely perfect. You feel calm, comfortable, safe, and secure. And when you know this place and you're there, just nod your head inwardly for yourself so that you know you're there. Great. You're doing wonderfully. Now have a good look around and notice what you can see. Maybe you can even become aware of some sounds around you. Just get a sense of how this place makes you feel. Because this place is perfect for you. Whenever you return here, you feel wonderful. Any negative feelings leave you, and you feel peaceful, confident, positive, optimistic. And you are aware of this calm inner strength deep inside. And whenever you return here, whether it be for hours, minutes, or just moments, all these feelings return and you completely recharge your emotional batteries. All you need to do from today, whenever you want to experience those feelings, just simply close your eyes and say the word relax 4 times in your mind, silently and soothingly, breathing comfortably, allowing your mind to send you here. Enjoying this place for as long as you want, recharging and resting and feeling good. And so I give you a moment of silence now, a moment for you to take it all in, a moment for you to experience this peace, calm, and inner joy. And so in a moment I will count from 1 to 5. When I reach up the number 5, you will be completely awake, feeling absolutely fantastic. With each number that I count, you become more and more alert until on the number 5, you open your eyes and are wide awake. 1, beginning to awaken now, aware of my voice and room around you. 2, waking from hypnosis, feeling fantastic, bringing with you all that you have learned. 3, aware of your body now and the position of your arms and legs. 4, stretch your arms now as you begin to open your eyes, feeling refreshed and excited about your experience. 5, eyes open, wide awake, feeling fantastic. Well done.